Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you what to do if your Samsung smartphone shows a moisture detection warning. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if your smartphone displays a water drop icon, it is an indication of moisture in your phone or charging cable. Do not try to charge your phone when moisture is detected. Also, check your device for foreign material, and do not plug anything until the charging port is clean and dry. The first step is to power off the device. Immediately disconnect your phone from the charger. Power off the device and leave it to dry completely. Then, clean the charging port and cable. Gently shake the device with the port facing downwards. Then, wipe the USB port with a soft dry cloth and clean the USB cable connector. Next, wipe the device with a soft dry cloth and allow moisture to evaporate by placing your phone on a cloth in a well-ventilated area or by using a fan. If charging issue persists, try clearing the USB cache. Simply go to Settings, tap Apps, and then tap on the filter and sort icon. Next, enable Show System Apps. Search for USB settings and tap it. After that, tap Storage and then clear cache. Finally, you can try charging the device. Once the issue is resolved, your device should start charging. So that's basically what to do if your Samsung smartphone shows a moisture detection warning. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.